For years, I thought the harder I worked on trading, the more successful I will become. More screen time, more chart analysis, more videos, more trades. And then I stopped. I stopped trying to become a better trader. And that's when I actually started to make money. And it sounds like a contradiction, but it's not. And by the end of this video, you will understand why doing less is actually the key to becoming profitable. This is episode 20 of the data building phase of the trader pyramid. No time to waste. Let's go. In school and in our jobs, we're used that people tell us the more we do, the more reward we can get. And that is called growth by action. The more efforts means the more results. This is how everything in life works. For example, in trading, you can backtest 150 trades. You can journal all the trades. It's all actions, all doing. You can build your AI mentor. You can create your book of truths. You can collect data points. You can watch videos. There's so many things you can actually do. At the start, trust me, you should do this because you need to have knowledge of the market and understand it to actually start making money. But at some point, that growth by action part stops. You have your system. You have your trade plan. You know your data. You have your proof-based confidence, then this growth by action part stops. And then is a very weird transition. And this is where I work with my one-on-one students on a lot, is growth by inaction. Growth by inaction is the key to becoming profitable. Because when you have your trade system, less is more. Less effort is better results. That is how profitable trading works. And I know you understand that sitting on your hands or being more patient is profitable behavior, but growth by inaction means more. It is waiting for your kill zone, waiting for your setup to form. Do nothing when your setup appears. So that means be okay that maybe you don't take a trade on a certain trade day. You sit there and oh, okay, I showed up, but there was just nothing for me to do. And when you take your trade, you set your stop loss, share TP, and you wait in that uncomfortable feeling, the cognitive dissonance. You sit through the discomfort. And of course, you journal your trades again. But 90% of the actions of a profitable trader is growth by inaction. So at the start, this will take you probably, if you start trading, between 1 and 6 months, I would say. I know most of the people watching my videos are trading longer than 3 months. So you should already be deep into the growth by action part. But ask yourself the question today, right now, from what point are you going to stop being that person, stop being the trader that wants to fix the solution here and wants to go through the profitable side, where it means growth by inaction? And what inaction looks like is the following. Wait for your kill zone, your session, time of day. If your trade comes, but it's outside of your window, don't take a trade. You wait for your setup. Your ball needs to form on the charts. If there's no setup, there's no trade. The market can move without you. If it was not your model, you have nothing to do. Do nothing when there's no setup appears. Very important trait of a profitable trader. You close the charts, go for a walk, whatever, just 0 trades. It's a good day. Because the next day, you don't need to trade yourself out of drawdown. You set your stop loss, you set your TP, and do nothing. Train your discipline bicep. And you sit through the discomfort. Trading will bring. I can promise you, even after 6 years, trading is still uncomfortable, but your bicep, your muscles, your mental muscles are just more trained. Your voice in your head will talk, the cognitive dissonance will scream, but you can control it. And the proof-based confidence system looks like this. You backtest trades using the train your eye method. You journal using 4 pillars, screenshot results, trade plan, emotions. You use your AI mentor to analyze trade plan, journals, and your mental game. You build your book of truths that shows your winning and losing patterns. And now you're gonna execute with inaction. You make a shift from growth by action to growth by inaction. Data points create proof. Proof creates confidence. That is proof-based confidence. And with this, we also complete phase 2 of the futures mentorship. Why you keep closing trades too early and how to fix it, backtesting, the AI mentor, the book of truths, and now you have a complete system how you can build data, but not just build data. Journal backtesting is boring. How we can use it to actually become a better trader. And in the next episode, we're going to start with the 3rd layer, building a bulletproof trade plan. If you got value from this video, make sure you like it, share it with a trading friend, and make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any of the 35 episodes here in this futures mentorship. PDF slides in the description, in the Discord. Next video is now appearing on the screen. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.